Hey guys, Aaron here. Today I want to show you kind of a common thing that I see with these Titans as far as trailer lights go. As you can see, we have our hazards on and our tail markers. And when we go to test power down at our connector, we have a 4-pin connector in here. We do have tail marker lights, but our turn signal lights or brake lights are inactive. Pretty common issue on these trucks. I went ahead and found a short on the trailer, but we still have no lights. So next thing we want to do is check the fuses. And when it comes to testing power on both fuses and for trailers, I really like using this LED test light by OTC. It's a good quality unit. I've had this thing for years. I actually have a couple of them. So if you're looking for a good test light or a good diagnostic tool for wiring, I'll put a link in the description of where you can purchase this, and it really makes the job so much quicker. Now it's important to note that there are two different fuses obviously for the trailer. You have the trailer tail marker, which is a 10 amp, and you have the trailer turn signal, which is a 15 amp, which is what we're going to check first, but they're located in two different areas. The small box right here, we're going to go ahead and remove it. And this 15 amp fuse back here is our trailer turn signal fuse. So as you can see, we've got no power on one side, and we got power at the other. So this is the fuse that is bad. Let's go ahead and replace it. These two relays, left turn and right turn for the trailer, you can hear them clicking right now. The trailer has its own turn signal relays, and they're located right here. So if your fuse is good, check these relays. Now that we got the new fuse in, let's go ahead and check for power. And we got power. And while we're here, let's go ahead and check the fuse for the tail markers. Even though they work, I'm going to show you where they're at. Check that fuse. We're going to take off this cover. And once we are inside here, go ahead and turn your ignition on and your headlights on. And then we're going to count 5 spaces from the left on the bottom row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's fuse number 36. And as you can see, we got power on both ends of the fuse. So we know our tail marker fuse is good for our trailer. So now that I've replaced the fuse, it's time to check power down at the connector down here with our test light. As you can see, we still have our tail marker, and our hazards are now working. But this fuse blew for a reason. It's probably because you have a short on your trailer, which I do right here. So I still have a little bit of work to do to repair this. Don't just replace the fuse and think everything's good. Generally that fuse blew because of a short. So I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave something in the comment section, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, see you next time.